Ordinary South Africans are determined that the past be known, the better to ensure that it is not repeated. They seek this, not out of vengeance, but so that we can move into the future together. The choice of our nation is not whether the past should be revealed, but rather to ensure that it comes to be known in a way which promotes reconciliation and peace.
Today we are making blankets for dogs at an animal shelter, sir.
We're making scarves for the homeless people, and we're making cooking pots for them with soup, and we're writing letters to them.
What we're doing over here is we're making sock puppets using string, bow ties and all of that. It's gone very well. Everyone's made about 2 puppets each.
Showing kindness to each other is not a privilege, it's a grace. You are grateful for life. You are grateful for the fact that you can see. You are grateful for the fact that you can hear, you can talk, you can walk. You are grateful for the fact that you can make better decisions and choices because you've been given a new day.
The significance for Mandela Day to me is spreading kindness and awareness that we should always be nice to others, even to the less fortunate. That's the most important part of Mandela Day to me.
It means that we must give back to the community, and it means that we must follow in Nelson Mandela's footsteps and be a good servant leader to the people of our country.
The significance of Mandela Day is how we recognize what Mandela has done for us and what he has sacrificed and how he's changed our country so much since 1994. One thing that I want to achieve is helping the less fortunate and showing them appreciation.
What it means to me is to be grateful and to show people love, and we need to give back to our community.